Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Rudy and Mom Nova. Now, I would like to make video for um, for punishment because I didn't join to evening speaking and sharing with TC student and teachers. Okay, the first, um, let me introduce myself. My name is Zunaidul Ihsan. Everybody calls me Nadil. I'm from Dynamic class. For the topic today, I wanna describe about place, and maybe I will describe you about my boarding house because now I'm in my boarding house. Okay, in my boarding house, so big building because there are 30 there are 30 rooms in my boarding house, and there are two floor for for one floor there are 30 rooms, but all rooms so big. And I think if you stay here you can calm because so big building and so um er, so early for get winds. And then for in floor 2, still I think still um still built for that's for you can forget it. And in my boarding house, yeah um there is one in my bedroom there is one door and one one window. And then in my boarding house ready for um, good good uh, for good good curtains. And I think um need I think uh I need I need curtains for private my room. And then in my boarding house ready for um for um cupboard. You can look that. So big cupboard. I think cupboard can save your clothes or your or pants maybe, and your keep your item. You can save in this cupboard. And then I have one one suitcase in my boarding house because I'm ready for that. Because when I wanna traveling in anywhere, I can use it for save my clothes and pants. And then I think this suitcase so important good gas is so important for save anything. And then yeah, I always ready for back because when I wanna study in my course, I need bag for um save my book and my pen, and then yeah, anything need for need daily for study in my course. And then yeah, I think um the color in the color wall in my boarding house, I think all room white color, and so tall for foundation. And then in my boarding house so calm for stay. And you know, in my boarding house ready for big 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 mattress because you can look that because mattress, I think all people need for sleep. Yeah, so I have big mattress. I can calm for lay and sleep maybe. For this mattress can you use two people. Yeah, I think in my boarding house always room there are two people, but just me for one alone in my room. And then yeah, in my room I always ready for spawn, you know, spawn. um I can eat for spawn because when I wanna eat or when I wanna buy some food, I think I can use phone because when I wanna lazy for my, yeah, and when I wanna lazy for use hand, I can use phone. And then yeah, for the for the Mac for the Mac for the Mac another drink or coffee maybe, I can use it. And then um, mm, in my boarding house I have hair comb for make me my hair so good. And yeah, for when I wanna go to my course maybe I use it. And then I ready for 3 bottle because when I wanna drink, I just drink in my room because in my boarding house um ready for water. Yeah, I just um I just use my bottle for fill my uh, fill water. Yeah, I think I don't buy drink buy water because yeah, in my boarding house already always ready. And then I in my boarding house there is one one fan because when I wanna sleep and when I wanna um when I wanna feel when I'm feeling hot in my room, I just on on my fan. And yeah, when in my room feel cold, I I just off my fan. And then um, in my room there are there is in my room there is wall a clock because I need that for look look a- look a clock when I wanna have when I have agenda, maybe I can look wall a clock. And then so in my boarding house so cold when night when night and yeah, I think when rain so more cold from there from now. And then I always ready for wait medicine oil, medicine oil. Yeah, when I wanna when I get sick, I can use it for my body. And then when I wanna flu, yeah, I can use in my body. And then yeah, I have um oil liquid soap for need for daily because when I wanna go to and I wanna take a bath, I need need liquid oil. And then when my friend visit here and just just playing here, or my friend wanna sleep here, I'm I ready for liquid oil. I think uh, this is my liquid oil. And yeah, just for take about I'm sorry, I'm forget. In my boarding house there is there are four bathroom. And then when I wanna taking bath, yeah, I just enter in my bathroom because I think there are many boarding house, so I always quit for in bathroom. And then in my boarding house ready for place in if you wanna do take an ablution, maybe if you wanna pray. you can do it because there is there there is place for tech ablution. And then yeah, I think um and this is this my burning house is place so calm when I wanna study for for my duty maybe. Yeah, I just study in my boarding house because so calm. And then in my boarding house, I was in my boarding house. There is a small table for study, and if you wanna reading in your book, you can put your book on the table maybe, or if you wanna get duty for use laptop or net anything maybe, you can use the table for study. And then you can put your your cosmetic or your anything maybe, for the example perfume or oil maybe, medi medis medicated oil you can put on the table. And then in my boarding house I always ready for snack maybe, for snack. Yeah, I think just for breakfast in morning when I wanna go to study in my course, I just eat snack. And then I'm ready for glass, you know, glass. This is glass from my mother. I need for drink and make a coffee, maybe. Yeah, I can use it. And then in my boarding house, I'm I ready for Magicom because when I wanna cook rice, maybe, yeah, I just use a Magicom for cook. Um, just use Magicom for cook rice. Uh, you know, in my boarding house, so near um so near for so near from Moscow. And then when I wanna play, I just go to Moscow because so near. And yeah, I want if I wanna feel bored in my boarding house, I just go to coffee shop because there is coffee shop in beside my boarding house. Yeah, and then uh, in my boarding house, I can look, I can get I can get um friend many friend for from another course because um in my boarding house, all 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 people in my boarding house so different for course. um yeah, in my boarding house. So can for parking maybe parking for car, bicycle, and motorcycle because so big building in my boarding house. Yeah, and then mm, in my boarding house, so more so earlier for sharing um, another course and another member maybe because when I wanna study together with my friend in boarding house, so the so easier. And then yeah, I can add many friends. So um, if you want know where is my boarding house um, near from Aryan Cafe maybe. Yeah, um, you can look. I think if you look Aryan, you can look my boarding house because beside my boarding house there are mosque. And then yeah, so in my boarding house I always ready for um I was ready for tissue. Uh, I have I have tissue, and when I wanna when the morning when in morning for cleaning my face and cleaning for I just use tissue for that because I think tissue important in my burn house because I always use it. And then yeah, I think in my boarding house there is many book. Uh, I don't know. Um, for whose I don't know for whose book because I think uh, before I'm stay here there is people, yeah, there is people for stay here. I think this book just for study and yeah maybe I need that book because when I wanna study for thesis maybe I can look that. And yeah, uh, I think this book important for study. And then um, in my boarding house, so um, in my boarding house so early for some food or um, or some drink maybe because there are many food store beside my boarding house. And then for the time in my boarding house, in front of my boarding house there are the future. Future, yeah, for future for all people. yeah, that is grave because when I wanna uh, people die, yeah, I can look it or I can join for praying maybe. Yeah, yeah, I think enough for this video because I have make video for 50 minutes, 25 minutes, and then I think enough. Yeah, enough. Okay, thank you for your attention. Um, that's all for me, and see you next video. Bye bye. Okay.